Hi guys, so in this video we'll learn about what is the use of Makefile in development, okay, and how we can add the small processes into Makefile and automate your day-to-day basis logics or code by using a simple thing in a Makefile, okay, and I will create a small Conda environment or poetry environment using Makefile. So let's do that. Okay. So firstly, as usual, I will create a Makefile queue maybe. Okay. And inside that, I will add Makefile. Okay. And for to create a Makefile, you don't need to add any extension after that. Okay. And let's create a environment. Okay. Create poetry environment. Okay, and to create a poetry environment, what we do normally, we go to the directory, right? So here the Mac file queue, and then we initiate the poetry, and after that we install our requirements. Okay, so same, all the steps we'll write it in the same create poetry environment. Okay, so what we'll write here, we'll print something before this to visualize and to know that what we are doing, right? When we'll run this, so we are printing it create poetry environment. Okay, or creating poetry environment, maybe it's good. Okay, after that poetry init to initiate. After that, what we want to do, we want to run a requirement file, right? So to do that, what we need to do, just go to, this is the way how you can run this requirement, directly add requirement.txt into poetry. So this is a line that I copied from there. Okay, and now I will create a requirement file in this. Okay, requirements.file.txt, and inside that I will write I dash for simplicity and test our logics. Okay, so let's run now. So we created the simple logic here that we want to automate to create an environment by just running this. Okay, so now go to terminal, write make, and then the name of it, and just hit enter. So it's asking me some more details about the package version description, other things, and I will keep them by default values. And you see it installed the PyTest file that we have it in our requirement. So it installed it directly here in our project. Okay, if you want to see, you can see it here. So you can see on our toml file that we have the PyTest. So this is the way how you can automate the things using poetry. So here you can create a formatter, maybe, okay, to format your code. So you don't need to go and run. So you can write it here in black and on to run all the black things to format your code. Okay, other thing you can add it here is you want to run it blind. Okay, that's also possible. So pilot dot, so it will give you an score. Okay, so to get the score of your code, how good it is, and is there any issue or any error, or it's there are comments or not, docker strings or not. So to test that, this is pilot, and to format the code, we have the black. Okay, and you can run this, and you will able to make everything formatted and checked before by using directly this create format. Okay, or by calling it Mac create format. I don't have it here black in this environment, so I'll see an error. But okay, so you see I don't have black here, and that's why I'm getting this error. But it's not a big deal. I will add it.